Hello everyone, this is the real Ghostbusters here, and today I'm showing you guys what I built is this. The the Ghostbusters Afterlife remote control ghost trap. It actually works, but the thing is this does not open at all. It's glued in shut. Well, not shut. I mean, it's made of styrofoam. I can open it and close it like that. I see many people have done that with the actual ghost traps, but I don't have that. I need a smaller size remote control car. So far, some of them were gone, but I managed to got one of these remote control cars that actually does work. Here, let me just put this camera back a bit. Yep. With this remote control, it was the remote control the remote control car that was the car was a truck. Well, let me get this box. Sorry, I put some Legos in there inside a box. Anyway, here's the box. This is like the perfect car for the ghost trap because I see the in a car those wheels have red ones, and I took off the plastic car on it, and I used my Dremel tools to take off the bumpers, and yeah, that's it. Basically, I built this. All of this is made of styrofoam, no cardboard, but the handlebar I made, it's made of paper. Not paper. I mean, what is these called? The popsicle sticks, including the wooden handle is made of, yeah, just wood. And to take it off, because there's a problem. There's the batteries inside of it, but I put the straps inside of it. That way they stay on it. That way I could take it off and put it back on anytime I want. And for that, then you're done. I've been thinking about this ghost trap ever since I was gone. And I also seen the movie too. If you seen the movie, I'm not gonna spoil you guys. If you already seen the movie, then I'm not telling you what happens. That's still spoilers. The reason why this ghost trap is different because I kind of mixed it with the real Ghostbusters, including the original Ghostbusters ghost trap, which is the red light supposed to be on these sides, and the yeah, I put dirt and the what's this color? It doesn't matter what color it is, but I made it like rusty and dirt on it to make it like the movie of it. Anyway, that's how I built this so far. Please leave a like, subscribe, and click the bell, and put a comment at what you think of the ghost trap I built. But I will show you guys that how it drives so far. This is really fast. I cannot slow this down, but I can. I just gotta do like stop and go, stop and go. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. I'm going to the backyard to show you guys how this ghost trap runs around. And here we go. See, it doesn't come off at all. But it's a little bit hard to steer it. It's my first time using the remote control so far. If I had a go-kart, I probably would do the same thing as the real Ghostbuster. I mean, not the real Ghostbuster. I mean the Ghostbusters Afterlife. If I had a go-kart or golf cart, that I could drive around with a golf cart and get this ghost trap chasing me or any ghosts out there. And thank you guys for subscribing me. Please leave a like, subscribe, click the bell, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.